That one was pooping a while ago. Oh gosh. So big, guys. Guys, view from the top. Sabi ko, next time kung balik dito, kasama ka na. Char. Is he gonna propose? Wow. Ganda, guys, oh. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Dito pa tayo sa Osaka! Currently, it's day 2 natin. Sorry, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog masyado kagabi kasi parang nagsisettle in lang kami. So for today's video, we are going to Dotonbori. Hindi pa ako sure. Kasi we're going with Kay's family. So we're gonna have fun. So first and foremost, coffee shop muna tayo. And second, pupunta tayo ng Dotonbori. And I think, di pa sure. And then for sure, pupunta tayo ng aquarium. And then sa hapon, pupunta tayo sa Umeda Sky Building. So yeah, dito pa rin kami nagsistay sa Apa Namba Ekime Tower. Malapit na siya sa Dotonbori. Siguro mga 12-minute walk lang, guys, kung gusto niyo mag-walk-walk. Meron naman mas mga malalapit na hotels doon. Kasi yung last time ako dito sa Osaka, I stayed malapit talaga sa Namba Station and sa may Dotonbori area. Siguro mga 5-minute walk lang. Pero mas mahal yun. Kahit ano lang yun, capsule hotel. So yeah. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo yung view namin sa umaga. Yun. Wow. Grabe, guys, no? Puro buildings. Saan ba yung Dotonbori banda? Doon ata. Hindi ko alam. Pero wow, ganda. Ay, may park pala sa baba, oh. Yan. Maganda tong hotel namin, guys, kasi hindi masyado siya mahal. At the same time, meron ng convenience store may 7-Eleven sa loob. Tapos may mall na din. Tapos connected pala siya sa anong tawag dito? May grocery store, may train station din, part ng, kasi malaki yung Namba Station underground eh. Tapos meron entrance to Namba Station sa baba. So kung interested kayo, tapos yung limousine bus dito bababa. So, literally like 30 seconds or 1 minute walk lang. Doon na kayo dito sa hotel na to. Yeah, so kung bubo kayo sa Klook, pwede kayong gumamit ng code ko, which is Nestor. Ako kayo ng 5% discount. Char. Update nyo na kayo. Yeah, guys, we are out and about. Hi, Cami. We're going to a coffee shop. Hi, Loloy. Hello, so cute. Hi. Ay, na-vlog kami. So guys, ito yung sa labas ng hotel namin. Yan, ito yung hotel namin dyan. Wow. So papunta kami ng coffee shop. Tawag ng coffee shop is Maze Cafe Namba. Lakad muna kami. Pero ang weather ngayon is 70 degrees. Tas mahangin. And then medyo overcast, which is nice. So buti na lang hindi umuulan. Oh, grabe, oh. Oh. First time in Japan, oh. Let's go. Let's go. Jed, happy place. Hapon na ako ni Jed. Happy place. Di ba, guys? Next year. China, next year, China. Crossing na, ala. Guys, diba dito tayo last time? Dito tayo sa guys, sa may Namba area. Diba dito tayo last time? Yan yun. Namba Maro. Yeah, pwede rin. Straight lang. You too? Hi! First train ride ni mo kami? Uy! Ala!
Di mo na-ride ka train sa Taiwan, girl?
Papunta kami ng aquarium, guys.
So, mga 30 minutes from here. Sa dalawang ride lang. Midosuji line. Tapos, Chuo line after. Baba tayo mamaya. And then 10-minute walk. Yung aquarium pala is covered siya ng Osaka Amazing Pass. It's called Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. Dito tayo punta guys. Osaka Aquarium Square. Let's go! Excited na kami? Are you excited? Are you gonna see Little Mermaid? Ursula! Ursula? Kiki? What is your name? Kami. Last name? Ano siya ba? What is your full name? Ano siya? 3 kabuok.
What's your name, Be? Kami.
Pilin ako, napindot siya.
Camila.
Wow.
Oh, you tell Tito what's your complete name.
What's your complete name?
Potot, uy. Dada, si Dada.
Pair.
Dada's Lucky.
Ako. Nestor. Tito Nestor. Charles. Punay. Wala. Isunod. Camera.
What is that number?
Guys, dito na kami sa Osaka ko. Ganda oh. Osaka ko? Osaka ka? Osaka mo. Osaka mi. Juzu. Ito daw yung pinakamalaking Ferris wheel ng Osaka. Laki. Libre yan sa Osaka Amazing Pass. Tenpozan Ferris wheel guys. Yan. Tenpozan Ferris wheel. Ang laki. Grabe. Tapos libre siya sa guys, sa Osaka Amazing Pass. Tapos merong Lego. There's a Lego there. Wow. Guys, ang sobrang laki. Guys, ayan na. Chachang! Osaka Aquarium! Woo! Yan na. Kaiyukan Aquarium guys. Kaiyukan Aquarium. Chachang! Yan guys. Ang laki pala niya in person. Wow! Tapos ang haba ng pila. OMG. Sige lang, may pass naman tayo. Laki guys oh. Wow! Guys, may photo spot dyan guys. Dyan. Picture kayo dyan. Tapos meron din dito. Kita nyo. Ferris wheel. Ang ganda oh. Wow! Na tayo. Chachang! Tenpozan Ferris wheel. Guys, so fake news pala. Hindi pala free yung tickets sa Osaka Amazing Pass for aquarium. So we ended up buying tickets. So ang adults is like 2,800 yen, 2,800 yen. Tapos children's 3 to 6, ano siya, 700 yen. Tapos 6 to 14, ano na siya guys, 1,400 yen. Check na lang natin. So, pasok na tayo ng tickets. Okay. Yay!
Dada is so scary shark.
Arigatou. Yan guys, pasok na tayo. Let's go! Let's go! Yan yung view guys. Ganda ng Ferris wheel. Lord, thank you for not raining. Ito na guys. Guys, tabi lang talaga siya ng pier guys. Ito yung simula. Yan guys oh. Wow! Entrance pa pala yun guys. Marami pang ganap dito sa labas. meron silang pa-garden dito guys. Oh, falls pa oh. Yan oh. Walang isda. Wala guys. There's supposed to be otters here. Pero wala guys, wala. May salmon dito guys. Wow. Guys. Uy! Yan guys, so. That's my bird. Madilim guys, madilim. It's kinda dark. Mas marami pa dito. Guys, ang dami guys. Uy, bless you, bless you. Guys, there's sea otters. Oh. May stamp action din guys. Oh. Stamp kayo dyan. Stamp ka kami? Wow!
Mommy!
Oh, over there! Kami, over there! Oh, her! Wow!
Again.
Huh?
Again.
Ano? Porcupine fish? Daming isda guys. Picture? Piranha lagi. Guys, piranha guys. Piranha, nakakita ko. Wow! Arwana. Kami, so big ha? Big mo? Tanawin lang. Kung ano, black and white, oh. Look. Guys, signan nyo, black and white guys, oh. Polka dots. What? So big. Stamp na naman guys.
Your favorite.
Pwede kayo mag-stamp dito guys. Penguin! Whoa! Okay, do. Penguin! Guys, nakuha ko na ano, nag-poop yung penguin kanina. That one was pooping a while ago. Caught in a picture. Oh guys, dolphin guys, huh? Drinking water. Ano pa dito? Wow. Wow.
Kato ka nang naikuan iyang face. Kato ka na. Sharp na siya.
Oh gosh, so big guys. What? Oh. Guys. See, it's Dory! And then Nemo's over there. Bless you. Guys, deep sea exhibit na guys. Wow. Guys, so jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Bye bye little.
Guys, it's so trippy. Wow. Guys, it's so fluffy. Look, it's bobbing its head.
Dito pala
Si Ed, guys. Ito de fiancé. Guys, oh. Damn view. Parang CDO, guys. Cagayan de Oro City. Ito. Parang sa CDO na pier, guys. Oh. Tapos parang merong ibang exhibit din dito. Yan guys, so we're finally out sa KQ1, ano ko paano ito pronounce? Aquarium. And what do you think, Dave? Was it sulit?
So.
So.
Okay ko ito fish.
Guys, malaki siya. Compared daw sa Ocean Park. Kayo guys,
Malaki
worth
si
it
Ocean Park.
ba sa inyo? Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. It's like $17 for adults. Tapos, yeah, you guys should check it out. But, highly suggest na busog kayo. Kasi pag may bata kayo, matagalan kayo. Tapos, next, itinerary is Ferris wheel! Cha-chang! Guys, so kung may Osaka Amazing Pass kayo guys, you're free for one ride dito sa Ferris wheel dito. Tapos kung wala kayong Osaka Amazing Pass, 1,000 yen yung ride. Yan, general admission ticket 1,000 yen. So guys, just take note kung meron kayong 3 years old and over na bata. Kailangan niya ng Osaka Amazing Pass or bibili kayo ng ticket. So 1,000 yen yan. Ansa? No, ride that na kami oh. We're gonna ride that. Guys, so dalawa yung option mo. May see-through gondola and then yung regular non-see-through gondola. So mas matagal yung wait sa see-through. Yan. Guys, so yung see-through pala guys is every interval lang siya. Yan. Kaya medyo matagal yung hintay kasi you have to wait until like they get off and then sasakay na naman yung next in line. So malapit na tayo. Tayo na next guys. We're next. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Okay guys. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Nakadulog siya.
Eh, guys, aircon siya guys. So, kung summer, okay lang. Ayun, aircon siya. What?
Tagaytay?
Dili.
Ako,
Kung
wala
summer,
yung
ang may aircon. Not yung window. Oh.
Guys, sasakay na tayo.
Oh my God, you're so high.
Look on floor.
Yun yung aquarium guys. Oh. Tachang!
Pag-cruise ko kanta rin. Okay. Hey, di ba? Si mami yung palit.
Yun guys, oh.
Na mauwi nila to.
Yan, aquarium, Bebo. Diyan tayo kanina guys. Guys, view from the top. Wow! 1,000 yen to guys. Just libre siya sa Osaka Amazing Pass.
Ay, naku, di ko alam.
Ganda. Anong river kaya dyan? Punta tayo dun mamaya.
First quarter.
Doon na si Ichiran dito.
Sa Omega, magkay dito magunta mo sa hapon. Pwede na ito mag-coffee shop. Ayan yung Universal Studios, guys. Yan, dyan. Guys, malapit na kami bumaba. We're really close. Siguro mga 15 minutes. Wala na. So, 15 minutes yung ride. So, worth it siya, worth it. 1,000 yan. Ayun, Ferris wheel, guys. Worth it siya, 1,000 yan. Tapos magla-lunch na kami. Guys, ito na kami sa lunch. Ichiran! Chachang! Ayan guys, for lunch. Ichiran tayo. Let's go! Guys, ito kami sa Ichiran. Finally. Rite of passage. First time, babe? Let's go! Just remember, you have to circle your preference. Order.
Garlic.
Yan.
Onion. White green onion. Chashu with non-texture.
No cupping, no cupping.
Little texture.
Tapos meron din silang mga ano dun, instant noodles. Guys,
Kung
tiyatin.
wata ni una-una uba.
Guys.
Nakastireta siya man.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
お待たせいたしました。お腹失礼いたします。
Let's eat. Babe, if you want, ano babe? Chashu? Or chashu? You're good. So good. Me, babe? Cheers. Yan guys, fast forward dito na tayo sa Umeda Sky Building. Di ba last time pumunta tayo dito nung fall. Yan, bago na naman yung installation. So, yung fountain parang hindi nila tinurn on dati. Pero remember dito tayo, di ba? Pumunta din sa taas, sa observatory. Tapos, iba na naman kasama natin. Dati sila Tyler, di ba? Nakita natin sila sa rooftop. Tapos ngayon kasama natin sila Kay, tsaka yung family niya. Let's go! Again, you can buy, highly recommend, walang time slot naman dito. So you can buy a day ticket through Klook or mabilis lang, tas may QR code. If you decide to buy sa Klook, you can use my code Nestor. Lagay ko dito. To get 5% discount sa attraction. Yan, nakita ko. What? Ganda no? May fountain. Third floor. Pak. Are you excited, Kami?
Excited but I'm a girl.
Ito sa sky.
Ito sa Arnal.
Tapos we're at third floor, tapos hanapin nyo lang tong entrance na to. Diyan. Tapos you will cross there. Ayan. The observatory entrance. Ha? 2,000 yen? Adults. Libre. So 2,000 yen guys yung adults, and then kids ang libre daw yung 0 to 3 years old. So si Kami, libre si Kami. Tapos pupunta tayo sa taas, tapos bibili tayo ng tickets doon. O nga pala, I forgot to mention, since may Osaka Amazing Pass tayo, we have 10% discount. You excited? Look over there. Look over there. Oh. Napadali sa Picasso.
Swallow girl, swallow girl.
Wow, mas nice din yung view sa Picasso.
Swallow girl.
Mas maganda dito, guys. Wow. Nakakalula ba? Charlula. Nakakalulay.
Lulay. Kelly.
Wow.
Girl. Swallow girl. Ano yung yun? Swallow. 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 Music ma. Hindi kaya ang ear ba?
35. Tachan! Mo na ni, Ren. Oh! Oh, hi guys! Tachan! So guys, kung wala kayong ticket, you can buy it here. Meron din silang ticket station dyan. 2,000 yen for adults and 500 for children. Dito. Scan nyo yung QR code din yan so you can print the tickets on by yourself. Tapos, meron siyang gift shop dito on this side right here. Gallery shop. You have magnets here too, guys. 600 yen. This one. What is that? Find your name. Lucky Charm. I don't think I have my name here. Nestor. Or Charles. I can find Charles. Charles. Let's see. Kikim daw. Kikim. Chelsea, babe. Hey, Chelsea. Charles. Nay, Charles. C20. There's a Charles, guys. C20. I wanna get one. What? Let's buy this, guys. Charles. Oh, there's Cody. There's a Cody. Is there a Cindy? Hey, Cindy. Let's get them. They have more magnets dito, guys. Yun yung mga prices niya sa designs niya. Pause nyo na lang. Mas maraming choices dito kasi yung sa isa. Oh, meron pa ba dito? There's more. Can you turn this? No, you can't. Same lang yun siya kanina. Ito, 3D. Hey guys, yun yung escalator kanina, guys. Doon tayo sumakay. Then we're gonna go upstairs over there. Diyan na. Enter! Tapos ito yung parang staging area, di ba? Remember? Parang may cafe dito tsaka restaurant. Tanan! Yeah! Wave! Tapos ito yung exhibit nila, guys, ngayon. Dito sa taas. Picture kayo dito, guys. Ganda mga picture dito. Pero run, taro. Ito. Hindi sila mga ganito, guys. Yung mga parang coins. Coin operated and then kalimutan ko anong name niyan. Tapos ikot lang din siya ulit. Tapos may cafe nga dito. Tambay nga tayo dito. Ganda ng view, guys, oh. Dito ka lang. Tambay ka lang dyan. Diba last time dyan tayo nagtambay. Maganda pala siya before sunset. Last time gabi na tayo nagtutungambay dito. Kumain ako ng bumili ako ng Sakura matcha latte. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sakura matcha latte, guys.
Show lang pa.
Yan, guys, so ito yung view sa Yung sa may gilid. Naka-libre tayo ng chair. Yan. The sunset is like right over there. And then ako kuha nila. Alright guys, we just got to the top floor. Yan na. Ganda. It's amazing! Hi babe! Hi! Hi Kami! Guys, di ba last time? What kind of candy? Guys, we're finally here. Same building, different season. Naka-t-shirt na lang tayo ngayon. Last time we were like wearing a jacket and coat. Ang ganda guys, this is a much better view than last time. Wow. Ganda oh. Again, we're at Omeda Sky Building. 2,000 yen yung entrance guys. Yan. Tapos pwede kayo pa-picture dyan. Yan. May spot dyan, photo spot. Dito guys, a picture kayo dyan.
Konnichiwa. Would you like to take a picture? Shooting is free.
Don't worry. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, sorry.
Ayun, ako.
Pan ko. Oh, sorry. Guys, parang babe, last time sabi ko next time kung balik dito kasama ka na. Char. Oo. Fact check guys, tignan niyo yung episode ng vlog na yun. Dito na tayo guys. Ha?
Swerte kay kakay mo na upan.
Swerte ka kasi kasama mo ako. Yan guys, oh. Ganda. Hindi rin. Oo. Maganda guys. Only 2,000 yen. 2,000 yen guys. Yeah. So yung technique mo lang dito guys, you just gotta come early. Kasi there's so many people. Look. Yeah. Rating mo babe, what's your rating? Out of 10? 6, 7. Out of 10? It's a different vibe once the sun sets. Yeah. Ano yung lights guys? Kita niyo sa may escalator. Umikot lang namin. Tachang! Oo nga pala guys, meron silang mga love locks dito. Katulad nung sa Turkey. Yung ilalagay sa bridge or ilalagay sa railway. Tapos lagay niyo yung initials niyo. So you have to register online daw sabi. To get the love locks. Kasi specific yung love locks na in order. Dapat ilagay dun. So you can't just bring your own. So just be mindful of that. Yan. Ganda ng view. Cha-chang. Picture ka din, babe. The thing that covers it. Yan guys, so may nag-order ng locks. Look, they're gonna add theirs. Dyan. I didn't even know. I thought you could just buy here. Yeah.
Last time pag ganyan mo, wala ka nag-inquire.
No, I didn't. Yeah, so you can put it in there. But you have to make an online reservation according to them. Kasi I think they'll etch your name or initials dyan. Kung ano yung gusto niyo. Customize nila. I don't know how much it is though.
It's only 700 yen.
Guys, nag-kiss sila guys. Hindi ko ba yun mapakita. Yan yung view guys. No, meron pang ano guys, mag-couple pa. Yan. Merong parang ano. There's a phone stand that you can put your phone on there and then you can do like a TikTok. Is he gonna propose? Oh. Kala ko na-propose. Wow, there's a phone stand there guys. Tapos lagay niyo phone dyan. And then you're gonna record yourself attaching the lock and key. Wow. Oh. Wow, ganda guys oh. Kami sana yan guys, kaso wala akong lock and key. Babe, ang ganda guys oh. Look at that. Wow. Yan guys, may ilaw na guys. Look. Look at that river. Holy. Ganda ng river, di ba? Ma-reflect niya ba? Yeah. Arigatou. So guys, tapos na tayo dito. We're gonna head down and let's eat. Excited na. Guys, dito kami sa Johto Curry. Yung curry place na pinuntahan natin last year. We're finally gonna try it. We're finally gonna try it. Dito siya. Guys. Wow. Babe. Excited to eat. Wow. Stop, babe. Hey guys, tapos na kami. Ano rating nyo guys sa Johto Curry? What's your rating? Jet? Out of 10, out of 10. 9. Wow. Okay, ikaw. 9. Ikaw, babe.
9.5.
Wow. Ikaw kami. Rating. Out of 10. 10. 10 daw. 10 ang lowest. Oh. Masarap guys. Again, pangalawa na namin to try. So, suggest namin, highly recommended, Johto Curry. It's a chain, so don't worry. Mga 9.3. 9.3. Ma-10 yun guys pag nilagay ko yung egg sa sa taas. Ikaw bud? Ewan ko.
The food is good.
Food is good.
Good.
Uwi na tayo guys. Uwi na tayo. May delays daw sagditin natin. Mas maganda yung neighborhood dito kasi parang hindi siya masyado siyang busy. Hindi masyadong busy. Parang residential siya.
Hello guys, good morning. Di na ako nakapag-outro kahapon kasi sobrang pagod na namin. Umuwi lang kami. Tsaka nag-grocery kami saglit dun sa baba sa hotel natin. Di ba may grocery dun? Sobrang clutch. But anyways, ano bang ginawa natin kahapon? Oo, sobrang pagod, nakalimutan ko na. Nag-aquarium tayo. Nag-aquarium, nag-Ferris wheel. Tapos, Umeda Sky Building tayo. Di ba? So, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button para hindi kayo ma-miss out sa mga videos natin. And ayan, thank you so much for watching. And till next time, take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye!